Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Canva template links in 2026. This is super handy if you want to share your designs with others so they can edit their own copy easily. Yeah, without messing up your original. All right, first, open the Canva design that you want to turn into a template link. Make sure your design is final and ready to share. Next, click the purple Share button in the top right corner. You'll see different sharing options pop up, like email, link, or social media. Here's the key part. Click Share a link to use as a template. This converts your design so anyone with the link can make their own copy without affecting your original design. Once that's on, just click Copy Link. Now you can share it anywhere. Email, social media, or your team chat, and people can open it as their own editable design. If you want, you can adjust who can see or edit your template link by clicking on Link Settings. This helps if you only want specific people to access it. And that's it. You've successfully created a Canva template link in 2026. Now, sharing editable designs is super easy, without worrying about losing your original. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another Canva guide.